Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, Cancers. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, Cancer. Let's see what are these cards first, guys. We will start with this reading first for your general energy. We have Moon, Lilies, and Man. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Cancer, you are someone who is having a lot of dreams and aspirations for your career situation. You have great goals to accomplish in life and you are working towards that, and you are someone really focused and dedicated. You are a hard worker and you are what to say, someone who is really committed, and you are working hard and you are dreaming, thinking about your future, maybe dreaming about your success in career or your personal life, some positive changes in your life. Maybe you are expecting marriage, a child with this person. So some happy expectation or dreams, fantasies you have with this person you love or for your work situation. And you are someone who is really friendly, guys. Maybe to the people in your work or family, you are very friendly, Cancers. You help others and you support them. Maybe you are dealing with a Libra, guys. Maybe your person is a Libra, or you are a Libra and your person is a Cancer. Maybe you are a cross watcher. That may be the reason we have that energy, guys. And you are someone who is really dedicated, focused on your dreams and goals that you need to achieve in your life today. And you, maybe today, if you are someone in separation, you are single and you are ready for a new relationship, you are seeing the right person for you. So someone is coming towards you, interested in you, and they want to be in a relationship with you, or you want to be in a relationship with someone. So some kind of a relationship is coming towards you, guys, a new romance for if you are single. But if you are already in a connection, your love is going to bloom, it's going to flourish, it's going to deepen, guys. You are going to see greater commitment, responsibility. You both share mutual love, respect and caring, and there is going to be unbelievable familiarity and intimacy, that deep communication and that feeling of connectedness with this person you love. So this person may be your soulmate, guys. So that may be the reason for these cards and that energy. So there is a deep sense of connection and you have a very good communication with this person you love, Cancer. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. Mountain. So there are a lot of hurdles for you to cross, but you have that perfect understanding and love with this person. That may be the reason you are able to overcome these hurdles in your love situation, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is the Lady. So you are someone definitely interested in romance, in this love, guys, and your focus is on love today, on your relationship. and you are someone who has a great determination and strong willpower, and you want to reach your dreams and goals, whatever aspirations you have, and you're working towards that, guys, and that may be the reason you will reach those dreams and goals today, guys. And you have success within reach. That is also what I see, guys. So some kind of a beginning of success you are seeing today in your situation, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancer. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here, and you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card or the crystals, whatever comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card. For those who chose this card, let's see what it is. It is the white snake, understanding. So this card just means that however difficult our situations are, guys, maybe we are facing lot of struggles today, there are things that are beyond our control, circumstances are beyond our control, something is causing a lot of stress and difficulties, and we may feel that people are not helping us, they are quite unemotional and they are not at all kind, they do not have that helpful nature. But you need to understand that whatever kindness or compassion you have shown to others, it is going to come back to you multifold, guys, and whatever sacrifices you have done for others or to help them in some way, all that is going to come back to you and you are going to get help, and there is going to be a breakthrough moment in your life. Soon everything you did, all the good things that you did is going to help you in unexpected ways, guys. So you should not forget that, and when you are truthful, when you stand by truth, there is no one or nothing that can defeat you in life today. So you are going to be victorious and you are going to be in a position able to help others, change others' lives, guys, and you are going to be the greatest inspiration for people with you. And you are someone who is going to heal others. Maybe this person you love, you are going to heal them, maybe whatever hurt they have in their hearts, you are just going to heal them and change the way their life is going. And you are a wonderful person who is really responsible, caring, compassionate, and though people are arrogant, selfish, they are not at all concerned about you, your kindness is going to come back to you multifold, guys, and you are going to see great changes in people around you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Such a beautiful card and a beautiful reading with this card. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is your second crystal and this is the card, guys. Let's see what it is. Embrace change. So with this card, guys, the energy for you all is that today you are going to see great changes, transformation in your life, guys. Change is inevitable, guys, in our life. Nature changes and we change. Everything changes about us, our physical appearance, our emotional self. Everything goes through great changes each and every moment, and world is constantly changing. But if you resist to change, if you want things to go in the same way, same order, you are going to see difficulties, or you are going to see a lot of obstacles and feel a lot of stress. So you need to understand that, guys, and many opportunities are waiting for you, but you need to, what to say, change the way you are. Maybe you want to go by the old and familiar safe way, step by step, and you are, what to say, you are afraid to take up something new in your life today, venture out, think out of the box, or do something out of the box. But you have to trust in the angels. This is an angel oracle card, guys. So angels are here helping you, guiding you in each and every step of the way. So something new is coming into your life today. You should just be ready to accept that new change, a new circumstance, or a new person coming towards you, guys. So you need to let go of all that repetitive old patterns which are not useful to you anymore. So if you welcome change, and you are going to see great things happening in your life today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.